Have you ever stopped to ponder the implications of being able to print not just words or images on paper, but tangible, three-dimensional objects? Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing, a technology that's transforming industries, revolutionizing healthcare, and redefining the way we create and consume. Now imagine a world where you could print a replacement part for a broken appliance, a custom prosthetic limb, or even an entire house. This is the promise of 3D printing. But as with any technology, there are challenges and ethical considerations that we need to address. Take the case of the medical industry, for instance. 3D printing has shown immense potential in creating custom prosthetics and implants. Yet it also presents a challenge in terms of regulation. Who is responsible if a 3D printed implant fails? Is it the manufacturer of the 3D printer, the creator of the design, or the doctor who implanted it? These questions highlight the need for clear guidelines and regulations to ensure safety and accountability in the use of 3D printing in healthcare. Then there's the case of 3D printed firearms. In certain parts of the world, it's already possible to download the blueprint for a gun and print it at home. This raises serious ethical and safety concerns. The ease of access and lack of regulation could potentially lead to an increase in untraceable firearms, contributing to crime and insecurity. 3D printing also poses significant environmental challenges. While the technology can reduce waste in manufacturing processes, it also has the potential to increase plastic waste. Most 3D printers use plastic filament, and the rise in popularity of these printers could lead to an increase in plastic consumption. This underlines the importance of developing sustainable materials and practices in 3D printing. In the realm of intellectual property, 3D printing presents another conundrum. With the ability to replicate designs and products, how do we protect the rights of designers and inventors? This is an ongoing debate with no easy answers. To summarize, while 3D printing offers incredible possibilities, it also presents a host of challenges and ethical considerations. From regulation in healthcare and the potential for untraceable firearms, to environmental concerns and intellectual property issues, it's clear that we need to tread carefully as we navigate the future of this transformative technology. The key lies in creating robust regulations, promoting responsible use, and fostering innovation in sustainable materials and practices. As we continue to explore the potential of 3D printing, it's crucial that we consider these challenges and work towards solutions that ensure the technology is used in a way that benefits us all, without compromising safety, ethics, or our environment. So as we marvel at the possibilities of 3D printing, let's also engage in the necessary conversations about its implications. Because the future of 3D printing is not just about what we can create, but also about how we create and the impact of our creations on the world around us.